Unlocking the deals. Understanding, monsoon sale is on. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of English language learning. Today, we've got a special topic that not only helps you understand a common phrase but also gets you ready for some exciting shopping opportunities. We're talking about the phrase, monsoon sale is on. Let's unpack what this means and how you can use this knowledge in real-life situations. Stay tuned to become a savvy shopper and an English language pro. Monsoon sale refers to a special discount period that many stores and online shopping platforms offer during the monsoon season. The monsoon season, characterized by heavy rainfall, can affect outdoor activities and shopping. To encourage people to shop despite the rainy weather, many businesses announce sales, offering products at reduced prices. This term is particularly common in countries where the monsoon significantly impacts daily life. When we add "is on" to monsoon sale, we're essentially saying that the sale has started or is currently happening. The phrase, "is on," is a versatile English expression used to indicate that an event or activity is taking place at the moment. So, monsoon sale is on means that the special discounts and offers for the monsoon season are now available to shoppers. You can use this phrase in several contexts. As a shopper, you can ask store employees or customer service, "Is the monsoon sale on?" to confirm if the sale period has started. As a business owner or marketer, you can announce to your customers, "Our monsoon sale is on. Come and enjoy the discounts," to promote your sale. In everyday conversation, you can share information with friends or family. "Did you know the monsoon sale at the mall is on? We should check it out." And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, monsoon sale is on. Now you know what it means, how it's used, and how you can make the most of it during the sale season. We hope this video has shed some light on this common phrase and that you're ready to dive into the monsoon sales armed with your new knowledge. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.